Hello everyone, this is Yamin and welcome to Python tutorial for beginner. So in this tutorial, we will see how we can declare variable, how we can print certain things and how we can do a little bit of math in Python. And I'll show you everything step by step. So first of all, let's go open PyCharm over here. So in the previous tutorial, we installed Python and install PyCharm. So if you want, you can check out the previous tutorials. So first of all, we are going to open the PyCharm. So I'll just double click on PyCharm and there you can see this is our PyCharm. So first of all, let's go and create a new project over here. So in order to create a new project, we'll click over here. Here you can see at the top, we have the file option. So just click on this file option, then click on new project. And here, let's say our project name will be project one and the project location will be this one. That's fine. So right now I'll just click over here, create, and then I'll click on this window. I'll just click on this window and there you can see a project is creating and a project is created. So right now let's go and create a file over here, a Python file. So for it, I'll just right click on my project and then click on new, and then here you can see Python file option. I click on Python file and let's say the name will be index. You can give it any name, and then after giving the name, just press enter. Here you can see index.py. So py.py is the extension for Python. Okay, so right now first of all, let me just write over here print, and whenever we want to print anything, we just need to say over here print, then we need to say over here hello world. And right now here you can see the run option. If I click on run, and there you can see we have the hello world over here. So here you can see hello world. Hello world is a string, and since this is a string, we need to keep this inside to double quotation. And if you want to print a number or if you want to print an integer, what you need to do is that you just need to give the number over here. There is no need to give any double quotation over here. Okay, so right now if I just run it, there you can see it is running properly over here. It is showing us 10 over here. So right now let's go and declare a variable and let's just print the variable data over here. So let's say our variable name is var1 equal to, we are going to say I love Python. And right now if you want to print this var1 I love Python, all you need to do is that we just need to say over here var1, and that's all. And here you can see this is a string, so we keep this inside double quotation. So right now if we just run it, there you can see I love Python. And let me just declare another variable. Let's say over here var2 equal to, let's say it is 20. And since 20 is an integer, so there is no need to give any double quotation over here. Okay, so right now if you want to print it, we can just over here print var2, and if we just run it this time, there you can see I love Python, and here you can see 20, which is this all. So right now I am going to show you how we can concat. So concat means how we can add two string variable together. For example, here you can see, okay, let me just remove this. Here you can see var2. Let's say over here I love Python and var2 equal to I like math. And right now if you want to concat those two, all you need to do is that after just var1, just give a plus and say over here var2. And if you now run it, there you can see I love Python, I like math. And if I just give a space over here, then there will be a space over here as well. Let me just run it again, and there you can see. So right now let's go and try to do a math. Let's say we want to like add two numbers. So for example, let's say var1 equal to 10 and var2 equal to 20. So if we now print this, it will give us 30 because 10 plus 20 is 30. Let me just refresh over here, and there you can see 30. So let's say over here variable on equal to the total of 10 plus 10 is 20. If we now try to print this, it will give us an error. Let me just show you. If I now just run it, there you can see it will give us an error because this is a string and this is an integer, a number. So we cannot add those like that. So what we can do is that we can just declare a variable result equal to, we can say over here str, and it will be var2. And what we are going to do is that Here we are saying that just turn this integer number into string, and we are keeping that in this result variable. So we can just say over here result. So whatever value we have inside var2, we'll just keep it in the result, and we'll just make it into a string, not an integer. Okay, so right now if we just run it, there you can see the total of 10 plus 10 is 20. So those are the basics of variable and how you can declare a variable and print that certain variable. You can add or subtract or divide them. So this was all for this tutorial. In the next tutorial, we'll see how we can use if-else condition in Python. So thank you very much for watching. Make sure to subscribe, and I hope to see you in the future tutorial.